Welcome back. This lesson is about three of the important factors needed to catapult your website to the top of Google, and they are links, content, and keywords. Google is the most widely used search engine today. Their ranking factors change often, and it sure can be hard to keep up. The best thing to do is to use best practices because you never know how Google will change. Today, they may not be using the title tag, but tomorrow they may use it to decide who gets to the top of the search engines. Search engines use algorithms to decide what website gets top billing. The algorithms are like mathematical formulas, and they're a secret. There are people through trial and error there are people who will go out through trial and error to try to find out what these secret algorithms are. And from what we know, we can come pretty close to optimizing a website as needed to get to the top of the search engine. However, you don't need to know the exact algorithm to get to the top of the search engine because there are three factors that every search engine or directory takes into account for their ranking decisions: keywords, content, and links. Most people, especially those new to the internet and websites, believe the best way to get to the top of the search engine is to use as many keywords as possible in their website content. This is called keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing worked years ago, but the search engines will penalize your website if you use it now. And what I mean by penalizing your website is that you will be tossed out of the search engine, and then you'll never be found. Too many keywords is actually counterproductive and will cause your website to drop in the search engines. Now the search engines are theme-based. They will look for the theme of your website. If you have too many keywords or too many different keywords, they will not be able to figure out what your website is about, and your website will drop in the search engines. Content. Search engine optimization is an art as well as a science. The art comes in the design of your website, making a website that will encourage visitors to explore more of what you have to offer. You'll want your website to be user-friendly and easy to navigate, providing useful information and substance in what you are presenting. Like they say, content is king. Links. Today, links must not point to and come from places that are in the same domain. Moz calls this domain authority and is measured on a 0 to 100 grading curve along with page authority. This measures whether your links have value or not. Moz, M-O-Z, is a software from a service company based in Seattle that sells inbound marketing and marketing analytic software subscriptions. Higher scores means a greater ability to rank higher in the search engine results. Domain authority metrics are incorporated into dozens of SEO and online marketing platforms across the web. In the Moz or Moz, M-O-Z system, you can measure domain authority using Open Site Explorer, the Moz toolbar, which is free, or the SERP analysis section of Keyword Explorer. So, links at the page level, as well as the domain factors, are now a driving force in getting you to the top of the rankings. You are now invited to view the three factors video, where I go out and about on the internet and use some of the Moz tools or Moz tools mentioned previously.